Alright, so now we want to find the volume of the shaded region when it is revolved about x equal to 0 using the washer method. So let's see this. Alright, so we know that x equal to 0 is represented by this line. So this is y-axis. So we want to rotate about y-axis using washer method. So firstly, what we have to do is that we have to determine the outer radius. So this is the axis. So of course the outer radius will be this one, right? So this is the outer radius, whereby the inner radius is given by this one. So this is the inner radius. All right, so now we would write outer radius and inner radius. So we'll find outer radius first, right? So outer radius, so in this case is ry. Ry is given by, so this is the outer radius, right? So we want to write in terms of y, so x equal to square root y. So outer radius is given by square root y, whereby the inner radius r small y is given by this function. So this function can be written as x equal to y squared over 8, right? So y squared over 8. So what we have to do next is to find the ry squared. So ry, we have to square it. So when we square this function, we get y. And the small ry, so ry square, so we get y to the power of 4 over 8 squared is 64. Okay, so now we know that the value here is 0 until, alright, so because now it is in terms of y, so it must be dy, so up to, look at this function, so it is 4 here. So now we can write the volume is given by pi, integrate from where to where? From, of course, this is dy, right? So from, of course, 0 up to 4, from 0 up to 4. So we have to firstly write ry squared, the bigger r first, minus the smaller ry, right? So we'll fill in with the function. Ry squared is given by this one, y, minus, right? R small y squared is given by this one. So y to the power 4 over 64 dy. And then we perform the calculation until we get the final answer. But now we want to find the volume using the shell method revolve about y equal to 0. So let's first determine the axis of rotation. Of course, it is y equal to 0 is this x-axis, meaning that we want to rotate something like this, all right? So in this shell method, we have to find the radius and also we have to find the height. So in this case, radius, right? Radius is given by y minus 0 because of this, so we get y, so the radius is y. And then to find the height in this case, we have to find the right minus left, so right minus left. So the right function is given by this one, so this is the right function, the function on the right. All right, so the function on the right is actually square root y minus, whereby the function on the left is given by this one, but want to find it in terms of y, so y to the power 2 over 8. All right, so this is square y minus y squared over 8. Now we have found the height, so we can, okay, we level it 0 up to 4 here, right? So we know that the volume is given by 2 pi. For shell method is 2 pi. From where to where? It's from 0 up to 4. From 0 up to 4. Alright, so radius multiplied by the height, in this case dy. So 2 pi integrate from 0 up to 4. Radius is y. The height is square root y minus y squared over 8 dy. So 2 pi, we have to simplify this. So this will become y to the power of 3 over 2 minus y to the power of 3 over 8 dy, and then we have to integrate and substitute the values of 0 and 4, and then we get the final answer. That's it.